One of Pakistan's biggest pop sensations is taking on one of its biggest challenges, terrorism. Abrarul Haq's new video, Remember Allah and Stop, shows how young boys are motivated to become suicide bombers. Throughout the song, Abrar keeps begging the boy to stop and consider the consequences of his action.
I feel bad whenever I hear about suicidal attacks and then people dying. And I thought it was my responsibility to contribute in whatever little capacity.
The Taliban's rise in Pakistan once brought all cultural activities to a halt, but now the art scene has started fighting back. Recently, Lahore hosted a 4-day fashion event. The Fashion Week was the largest ever public gathering at a fashion event in Lahore. It took place despite threats and security concerns.
We're making an economic, social, political statement at the moment because of the way international media is particularly focused on Pakistan and Talibanization. Fashion industry ki statement, it's a very powerful statement.
That sentiment is shared by theatre icon Madiha Gohar.
That it's very important to come up with something which is a comment on whatever is happening in Pakistan these days, the Talibanization, rising fanaticism and fundamentalism.
Gohar's weapon against the Taliban is laughter. Her latest play is entitled Burqa Vaganza.
We also wanted to do it in a not in a grim manner as the topic would suggest, but in something which is light-hearted.
Only women wear the veil known as a burqa, but it shrouds both the female and male actors in this play. The message: in a Talibanized society, a veil is cast over the freedoms of choice and expressions that Pakistani men and women enjoy today.
Basically, it's a take on the whole concept of covering up a woman and issues of fundamentalism, issues of curtailment of women's rights and their empowerment, growing intolerance within society.
These messages in plays, spectacles and songs seem to be having an effect on the public.
इस किस्म के सॉन्ग्स बनने चाहिए ताकि लोगों को एक अच्छा मैसेज मिल सके.
And we should not frighten from the Taliban. We should face them. We are Pakistani, we are brave nation.
In singer Abrar's song, there is a happy ending. The boy embraces society and refuses to blow himself up.
In the end, I have tried to give a ray of hope, a positive ray of hope to all those who are maybe in process. Yes, my friends told me not to do it. They thought it was very risky also, but my family members and my elder brothers and myself, we were convinced that this is something that we have to say.
Abrarul Haq, who has released multiple music albums and countless hits over the past 10 years, says this was his most challenging song yet. In real life, these efforts come at a price, numerous personal threats. One singer has been murdered, but playwright Gohar is adamant to continue.
One has to be fearless, one has to have courage, and one has to take risks, because if you stop taking risks and just shut up and sit, close the doors and sit inside your home, I think that's very meaningless existence.